Good morning, everyone. In our previous videos in the topic polynomials, we have discussed meaning of polynomials, zeros of a polynomial, types of polynomial, and finding the values of a polynomial at different points, as well as division algorithm for polynomials. Now, based on whatever we have discussed till now, today we are going to discuss few questions related to those things which will help you in solving the problems of the chapter polynomials. So this is our first question, where you can see a polynomial px is given to you, that is a square plus 9 into x square plus 13x plus 6a, and in the question it is saying that zeros are reciprocal of each other. To find what we need to find the value of a. Now here you can see it's a quadratic polynomial. Since it is x square, means it's a quadratic polynomial. So how we are going to solve it? Since it's a quadratic polynomial, let the two zeros be alpha and 1 by alpha. Alpha and 1 by alpha, it's just because question was saying reciprocal of each other. Now here let's use product of zeros, that is c by a, which we have earlier discussed. So product of zeros means alpha into 1 by alpha. C by a, here c is 6a and value of a is a square plus 9. So let us put it over here. If you cut this alpha and here denominator alpha, you will get 1 and 6a plus a square by 9 as usual. By cross multiplying we get this. On solving this, we can easily get the value of a equals 3. So in these type of questions, may possible we can use the product of zeros rule, or we can use the sum of zeros of the rule. Depends upon the question. Let us discuss one more question, that is based on sum and product both. Now here a polynomial is given to you, 6x square plus x minus 2. In this question, it is saying that the zeros are alpha and beta. Again, it's a quadratic polynomial, two zeros alpha and beta. What do we need to find? We need to find the value of alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. Now here, to find the value of alpha by beta plus beta by alpha, first of all, we need to get the value of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Alpha plus beta equals minus b by a. Now in the polynomial you can see that value of b is 1 and value of a is 6. So if we'll put it over here, minus 1 by 6, it is alpha plus beta. Alpha into beta, that is c by a. Again from the polynomial you can see c is minus 2 and a is 6, that is minus 2 by 6, which is minus 1 by 3. Now let us move further to find the value of alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. To find its value, let's take the LCM of this first. That is alpha into beta. In the numerator, you will get alpha square plus beta square. Now, alpha square plus beta square, using an algebraic identity, that is a plus b whole square, is equals to a plus b, sorry, a square plus b square is equals to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So same as that here, a square plus b square is a plus b whole square minus 2ab. This alpha beta is same as that. Now here you can see alpha plus beta. So from here the value of alpha plus beta, we will put here alpha plus beta minus 1 by 6 whole square minus alpha into beta. Here the value of alpha into beta was minus 1 by 3. We will put over here in the denominator again alpha beta, that is minus 1 by 3. On solving this, simplifying this, you can easily get the value minus 25 by 12. Means alpha by beta plus beta by alpha is equals to 25 by 12. So in these two questions, what we have studied? The use of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta and things related to this. Let's discuss one more question, that is, you have a polynomial given 2x to the power 4 minus 11x cube plus 7x square plus 13x minus 7. Since here the degree is 4, means it's a biquadratic polynomial. Out of the 4 zeros, 2 zeros are given in the question. That is, zeros given are, one is 3 plus root 2 and another one is 3 minus root 2. What we need to find? All zeros, all the 4 zeros. This variety of questions we have discussed it earlier as well. Again we will discuss. Actually this is very important questions. That's why I am discussing this variety in almost each and every video. So see here, 3 plus root 2 and 3 minus root 2 are the zeros of px, means on multiplying those two zeros we can get a factor of the polynomial. So here we can see by multiplying these two, what we got? X square minus xx plus 7. This is a factor of px. Since it is the factor, now with this factor what we are going to do? We will divide the given polynomial using division algorithm. Let us divide it, long division method. X square minus 6x plus 7, and here is the px. Now long division method, you know it very well. You can divide it by yourself. On dividing it very carefully, lastly what you will get? You will get the remainder 0. Got it? Now, may possible you may have some mistake in division. Just for your reference, I have done one mistake. Just for your reference, you can see this page, I have cancelled it because here, just due to, so that you can understand the things, I have earlier written this 7x square and after that I have written 14x square. Normally student do these things, variety of problems. So what I have, that's why I have done this intentionally, cancelled this page. So just have patience and divide the things carefully. On dividing the things, you will get the remainder 0. Now using the division algorithm, that is quotient into, divisor into quotient plus remainder will gives you the dividend. So here I am writing px equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. Since remainder is 0, that will be eliminated. Now if we find the value of the factors of these polynomial and this polynomial separately, means ultimately we will get the zeros of the polynomial px. X square minus xx plus 7 zeros, where previously we were having that was 3 plus root 2 and 3 minus root 2. With the help of these two, we got this polynomial. So 8 zeros already we are aware of. So lastly, what are left with us? 2x square plus x minus 1. We will find the zeros of this. Doing the same thing, 2x square plus x minus 1 equals 0. By splitting the middle term on solving it, where we reach, value of x is minus 1 and 1 by 2. So other zeros are minus 1 and 1 by 2. Since the question was saying to find all zeros, keep this very careful. Sometimes questions say find all zeros. Sometimes questions say find the other zeros. So if the question will say other zeros, your solution will end here, that is minus 1 and 1 by 2. But if the question will say write all the zeros, you will just write all the zeros to what you got, minus 1 and 1 by 2, and the rest 2 which were given previously, that is 3 plus root 2 and 3 minus root 2. So till here, hope you have all understood the things. Observe this video once, twice. until you are not very much confident of each and every point. After that, I will attach some question with this video. Solve those questions by yourself only. You can take the help of book, but not well, you will not copy from book. You will read the things, close the books, and then you will do the things by yourself. Till the next video, take care, be safe, and thank you.